Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell the truth about silver. Today is Monday the 23rd of September 2019 and we're commenting on the gold-backed debit card Glint Pay Services Limited entering into administration in the United Kingdom. So let's investigate. On Tuesday the 3rd of September 2019, we produced a video entitled Glint, Gold-Backed Debit Card, Is This the Future? On the recommendation of one of our subscribers. Unfortunately, on the 18th of September, the UK regulator, the Financial Conduct Authority, confirmed that Jason Daniel Baker and Jeffrey Paul Rowley of FRP Advisory LLP were appointed as joint administrators of Glint. We pointed out that the card began in the UK in 2017, spread to Europe last year, and launched operations under the name of Glint Pay Inc. in the US on the 29th of July. In simple terms, it worked as follows. Users downloaded the Glint application on their mobile devices and quickly registered. Money was wired from an existing bank account to purchase physical gold held in a vault in Switzerland. The exchange was made at the spot price, less a 0.5% transaction fee. Registered users were provided with a Glint Debit MasterCard, pursuant to a license from MasterCard USA. Glint is an agent of Sutton Bank, and the accounts are regulated under the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp. A customer retains ownership of his or her gold until it is spent, and the vault holdings are audited daily. On a positive front, because Glint used MasterCard, it was accepted in over 30 million locations worldwide. We did, however, point out some of its drawbacks, certainly in terms of fees. For in the UK, for example, there was a gold exchange fee of 0.5% of the transaction value. Similarly, the foreign exchange fee was also 0.5% of the transaction value. Point of sale transactions were free with a limit of £5,000 per day, but ATM withdrawals cost £1.50 with a limit of £300 per day. Topping up via debit card was free, but was limited to £2,000 per day. You could not load money using a credit card. Now, we also added that whilst there were many positives associated with such a card, the two negatives, of course, which existed were: the first, as with all cards, is how do you access your cash if computer systems are down, hacked or failed? And the second, specifically to Glint, how do you feel about your purchasing power declining if there's a fall in the price of gold? Now, what we were unaware of at the time, which was why we couldn't recommend the card directly, was whether the UK card was covered by the FSCS, the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which provides bank customers with compensation of up to £85,000 worth of their deposits. It has since come to light from the FCA that Glint customers are not covered by this guarantee. Now, the US card is apparently protected by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp, which offers up to $250,000 protection. However, this is for a range of accounts, and frankly, we are not 100% certain whether this card would be protected in the event of administration or bankruptcy in the US. Although one reading the company's literature would suppose that it is. Now, if you are an account holder, a Glint card holder in the United Kingdom, we've placed a link in the description box below which directs you to the necessary parties to contact. If you are a Glint customer in the US or in Europe, we would seriously suggest that you make the necessary inquiries to see how this administration order affects you, if it does at all. We suspect for the moment it only applies to Glint Pay Services Limited, which is UK based, but it is better to be safe than sorry. There is limited information available at the moment, which is normal while the administrators conduct their investigation, but what this does show is that no system is 100% safe. And as much as one may hate the banks, at least there is some level of protection guaranteeing your monies, especially the larger, more national ones. That said, the concept behind Glint was a good one, and certainly creative. However, we have to confess that we separate our fiat from our gold holdings, as we prefer to hold the physical gold ourselves rather than entrust it to others. But that is just a personal preference. What does this mean for holders of similar products such as gold money or other type of gold-backed card systems? We would suggest, and it's only a suggestion, that one uses this example to investigate what actually happens in the event of your company entering into administration, receivership or bankruptcy. And depending on the reply you receive, you can then make the appropriate decisions for yourself. If any of our US or European members hold a Glint card and have found out the relevant information vis-à-vis compensation and to what regard the UK administration affects them, please enter them in the comments below this video. We hope you found this helpful. Thank you for listening. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners. Glory, glory, hallelujah.